3 years ago, I had my left hip replaced here at Medcare Orthopaedics Spine Hospital, and then 7 weeks ago, I had my right hip replaced, also here at Medcare Orthopaedics Spine Hospital, with Dr. Amar as my consultant and surgeon. Everything has gone very well, and I'm walking now 2 kilometers a day, and I'm back to swimming, and it's only been 7 weeks. So I would like to say to anybody who's been diagnosed as needing a hip replacement, don't be fearful of it, go ahead and do it. And you'll be in excellent hands here with Dr. Amar and all the nursing here at Medcare Orthopaedics and Spinal Hospital.
Hip replacement surgery is an excellent procedure to treat significantly symptomatic hip arthritis. Mr. Hodgson recovered very well after his surgery, and I expect that his hip replacements will serve him for the rest of his life.